How to find the Plarium promo code. Hey guys, let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing some of the working promo codes for the Plarium. So for this, you can just open your website or the account. After that, here are some of the Raid Shadows promo codes that you can use. Some of such working promo codes on today's date is Raid Community, Wedding Reddit 200k, Spring Hunt 24, Claim Now, yearly gift, and much more. So you can check any of this list and try to use it. Here are some of the steps by which you can redeem your Red Shadows Legends promo codes. First of all, go to your account and tap on the three-line button on the top right of your screen. Then go to Gift Codes option and then copy any active code from the chart. Paste it to the Enter Code dialog box and tap on the Claim button and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.